Coming live from Minnesota with the JW Solar USA. So you guys have seen the rebuilds on the computer. We've been doing stage 1 and stage 2. The one just posted, you see how the hard drive was already in, and it's already started uploading the software. The hardware and the software were on that video, and we just uploaded the software, which is the operating system, Windows 10 Professional 64-bit. So here is a video card. I was telling you guys, here is a video card. Comes with the video card. I think it's gonna be here, and these are all the other necessary essentials. So let's check this out and see what we're dealing with here. These are the cables. You can look at it closely. These are the cables. Bring you guys closer a little bit. So these are the HDMI cables. Is a mini HDMI. So the video card I have here is the Nvidia Quadro NVS 510. It says a major band, is a low profile, is a half height. So this is a 2 GB Nvidia, is a NVS 510, is a PCI Express times 16. So it has chipsets of the GPU manufacturer of ATI. It's an ATI. Yes, the chipset is the it says the ATI according to the specification here from the seller, and it works with Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 8, Windows 7 Server, 2008, 12, 16, 19, and Linux. It said you can includes for 6-foot HDMI cables. This is a slim or SFF-PC. These are just for the mini PC. This slim and skinny ones. Is a Nvidia NVS 510 PCI Express 16. So it has a 4-channel that you can able to project to monitor or TV, UTVs, whatever. It's a 2 GB. So let's check this out. This is the video card right here, packed with love from us to you. All right, let's see. It's not about bragging about all these things, and let's see what we have. So this is the card here. It never came with the original thing, so but this is what it is. It's a Quadro. Okay. Here goes the card. And I know a lot of you guys out there know about this stuff, and what do you think? Bringing it closer, you can see the details about this, and maybe I can be able to regulate the lighting too. You can have a better shot. What about that? Really detailed, looks fine. So PCI Express, you can see this end goes to the notch on the back of the card where you can hold from when you unplug the card. So this was the one that latches, and it has a little fan here, and look what it is. Okay, and this other side got a chip right here that enter to the other part of the computer. I will show you guys. And this is the slots here. Sorry, I hope you can see that. So it's not a full size card, just like any of the bigger cards. You see how short it is? So I think it's approximately about 3.5 inch from here, and it's a lot of things. So it has a heat sink underneath here. So the fan and all the other stuff, whatever, connects to make this card really working good, and that's what it is. So I hope you see what I'm talking about. It's a simple build, but I can say simple. I don't know how to build one of these. I give them credit, whosoever who did. So so these are the cards. It says sorry, the cables. Mini display ports for mini display ports to HDMI adapter. So let's open up one of these and see how things go from here. So you can see at this point, so these are just mini ones, so you can always unplug this side here just like a HDMI, which is a HDMI or whatever it is, and goes right there. Okay, plugged. So this one, when you plug this one can go to any HDMI monitor. So I have a Samsung monitor. I think it's a 23 inches, something like that. So I can able to project this on my television, my 70 inches or my 65-inch television. So it's just a matter of it's just gonna be a quad screen. Yeah, so basically this is how it's gonna be. So all those 4 wires there, they're gonna be attached here on this output, and this one is gonna sit right on the chassis of the frame or whatever on the computer, and this is how we're gonna do that. So let's go take a look and see how we can go about this on